Well friends, in this video we shall discuss regarding eco-friendly materials. Before this we have discussed some miscellaneous materials which are used in the construction. So in addition to this we shall discuss eco-friendly materials. So what is eco-friendly materials? Eco-friendly is the act of living with intent. The intent is focused on not creating harm to environment through interactions. So eco-friendly material means the materials which are eco-friendly, which are friendly with the environment, which will not harm to the environment without receiving any harm to the environment. The materials which can be used in the construction comes under the eco-friendly material. These are the sustainable materials which will sustain the environment, which will cooperate with the environment, which will not receive any sort of harm to the environment, are called as eco-friendly materials. Eco-friendly technology involved making use of alternative energy source which is abundant to generate renewable energy, reducing the amount of resource which is limited used through the conventional like fossil fuel. There are various technologies and materials developed by various research organizations, innovators and manufacturers in India that are beneficial in housing construction. So nowadays people are going for various types of eco-friendly materials in the construction to make the construction which will sustain the environment, which will not issue harm to the environment. So what are the qualities or properties of these eco-friendly materials? So these are biodegradable. This can be reused and recycled. Aids energy efficiency in building. Durability and lifespan, they are durable. Reduction in air, water and land pollution. They will reduce the use of air, water and land pollution. This should be locally available. Embodied energy, reuse of waste products and renewable sources. So the materials which are possessing the properties mentioned like this, then those comes under eco-friendly materials. So here some of the eco-friendly materials are listed. Bricks or blocks, stabilized compressed earth blocks, fly ash lime gypsum bricks, clay fly ash burnt bricks, board and panels, ferro cement wall panel, fiber reinforced cement wall panels, bamboo mat corrugated sheets, ferro cement roofing, linoleum, cork, thatch covering. So all these materials comes under eco-friendly materials. The materials which are mentioned in our syllabus, those only we shall cover under this eco-friendly materials. So coming to first is thatch covering. This is the cheapest roof covering commonly used in villages. Thatch covering. Thatch म्हणजे पाचट. जसं लोक ऊसाचे पाचट हे रूफ बनवण्यासाठी वापरतात. सो इट कम्स अंडर thatch covering. जसे नारळाच्या झावऱ्या. It is used for preparation of this type of covering. In Nashik district, ते वेगळ्या प्रकारचं गवत राहतं, वेगळ्या प्रकारचं grass. It is used for preparation of the roof to protect the users from sun, wind and rain. That comes under thatch covering. In Kopargaon region, in Ahmednagar district, normally ऊसाचं जे पाचट आहे, it is used as a thatch covering. So this is the cheapest roof covering commonly used in villages. It is very light but in highly combustible. It is highly combustible. That is the biggest drawback with this. It is unsuitable against high winds. It absorbs moisture and liable to decay. The framework to support thatch consists of round bamboo rafters placed 20 to 30 cm apart and tied with split bamboos laid at right angle to the rafters. मराठीत सांगायचं म्हटलं तर कधी कधी ह्याच्यासाठी शेवऱ्या वापरायच्या. ऊसामध्ये शेवऱ्या निघतात. त्या शेवऱ्या साधारणतः अंदाज ठेवायचे 25-30 सेंटीमीटर 1-1.5 फुटावरती ठेवायच्या शेवऱ्या अल्टरनेटली. आणि वरून म्हणजे मोठ्या शेवऱ्या ठेवायच्या, अशा मोठ्या शेवऱ्या. आणि त्या छोट्या पर्लिन म्हणून जे आहे राफ्टर्स, म्हणजे पर्लिन म्हणून मोठ्या शेवऱ्या ठेवायच्या आणि लहान्या शेवऱ्या ह्याचे राफ्टर वापरायच्या. म्हणजे त्या टाय करायच्या, पेसिंग मेंटेन करायच्या. कधी कधी बांबू वापरले जाते, गोल बांबू वापरायचे, मोठे मोठे बांबू वापरायचे आपण पर्लिन्स म्हणून, आणि ते बांबू कट करायचा, त्या पीसेसमध्ये कट करायचे आणि ते राफ्टर्समध्ये टू टाय द बांबूज, टू टाय द पर्लिन्स, ह्याचे राफ्टर्स बांबू यूज करायचे. सो द फ्रेमवर्क टू सपोर्ट हॅज कन्सिस्ट ऑफ राऊंड बांबू राफ्टर्स स्पेस्ड ॲट 20 to 30 cm apart and tied with split बांबू, स्प्लिट म्हणजे तोडलेले बांबू, कट केलेले बांबू, पीसेस कट म्हणजे पीसेसमध्ये नाही, अलॉंग द लेग laid at right angles to the rafters in order to drain roof efficiently. Minimum slope of 45 degree, this should be 45 degree is kept. The thickness of thatch covering should at least be 15 centimeter. Normal thickness varies from 20 to 30 centimeter. Now आता हे जे thickness वगैरे इथे मेन्शन केलं आपण टेक्निकली, but it depends upon the skill of that person. त्याला शाकरणे म्हणतात, जो शाकरणारा जो माणूस असतो, कुपी शाकरणारा, त्याच्या स्किलवरती थिकनेस डिपेंड असतं, बट नॉर्मली इट रेंजेस बिटवीन 20 to 30 centimeter. So this is regarding thatch covering, and this thatch covering, this is the cheapest. Major drawback is highly combustible, but it can be used or it is best suitable in all the seasons. तुमचा उन्हाळा, पावसाळा, हिवाळा सगळ्या ऋतूमध्ये इट इज द बेस्ट रूट. This is regarding thatch covering. Now coming to bamboo flooring. Next material is bamboo flooring. Bamboo flooring is one of the newcomers in flooring industry. Bamboo is more environment friendly, hardwood flooring, and it is actually no wood, it is a grass. Bamboo is very durable, elegant, and versatile. The natural variations of color that is unique to bamboo come from carbonization and are usually a honey brown color or light tan color. So from this bamboo flooring can be prepared, and very nice flooring is prepared with the help of this bamboo. Directly bamboo also can be used, even this type of flooring it can be manufactured from the bamboo also. So this is a natural bamboo. The bamboo is treated as a grass itself. Grass म्हणजे जसं घास असतो, छोटा घास, त्याप्रमाणे हे असं पीसेसमध्ये उगवतो. सो दिस इज द बंबू. सो दिस कॅन बी यूज फॉर ए flooring work. Now coming to linoleum flooring. It is a plastic material obtained by oxidizing linseed oil into a rubber-like material. It is mixed with ground cork, wood flour, and pigments and pressed onto canvas or jute. It is formed into rolls or tiles. The rolls are 2 to 4 meter wide and 1.6 to 6.7 mm thick. इथं तुम्ही बघू शकता. सो दिस लिनोलियम फ्लोरिंग इट कॅन बी प्रिपेअर्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ रोल्स. असे रोलचे रोल राहतात. आपण नॉर्मली ऑन द एक्झिस्टिंग फ्लोरिंग दिस लिनोलियम फ्लोरिंग इज डन इन मोस्ट ऑफिसेस. In case of office buildings, normally this linoleum is used to cover the flooring. And here in case this linoleum, it is available, normally it is available in terms of rolls. It can be available in terms of tiles also, 20 by 20, 30 by 30. The length of the rolls is 3 to 5.5 meter. The smaller length being for thicker variety. Linoleum may be a plain sheet or have attractive colors. These are available in variety of colors. Attractive colors. It is used as floor covering for wood or concrete surfaces. Even nowadays on tiles also people are using this type of linoleum flooring because it is very attractive. It gives very good appearance. Linoleum floors are durable, comfortable, cheap, and easy to install and maintain. These are easy to install. However, they are not used in basement, kitchens, and bathrooms where they may remain wet for a long duration, resulting in rotting of the material. जिथं पाण्याचं जास्त कॉन्टॅक्ट येईल for those areas, normally linoleum is not preferred, it is not used. So in simple words you can say linoleum is nothing but it is a type of flooring. It is available in rolls, also available in the tiles also. In case of rolls, the width varies from 2 to 4 meter and thickness is 1.6 to 6.7 mm and length is 3 to 5.5 meter. The 3 meter is the standard width or length of the room. So based on this, length of this linoleum is 3 meter or sometimes 5.5 meter. So it is used as a floor covering. Normally for offices, linoleum flooring is used. Advantage of linoleum: suitable linoleum when properly laid lasts for many years. Linoleum floors are durable and resist wearing. Linoleum floors are resilient, quiet and comfortable. Linoleum floors are hygienic and easy to maintain. This can be easily cleaned with soap. Linoleum provides non-slippery floor. That is important. It is non-slippery. It gives good appearance. Advantages are it is non-slippery, gives good appearance. It is easily cleanable. It is also durable. These floors are economical and easy to install. These are the advantages with linoleum. Now coming to cork flooring. Already we have discussed regarding this cork flooring while discussing the flooring unit itself. But here we shall discuss from eco-friendly material point of view. So cork is obtained from the bark of oak tree. During baking, a resinous material comes out and bind the material in a homogeneous mass which is known as cork. This flooring is perfectly noiseless and used in libraries, theaters, art galleries, etc. because it is very good. It is noiseless. So for dancing halls also this type of cork flooring used. Auditorium also this type of flooring is used because it gives very good appearance, natural appearance. It may be in the form of either carpet or tiles. Similar to linoleum, this is also available in terms of carpet or tiles also. It is fixed to a concrete base. Similar to linoleum. Its size varies from 10 cm to 10 cm by 10 cm, 30 cm by 90 cm, and thickness varies from 5 mm to 15 mm. So it is available in terms of tiles, in the form of tiles, not in the form of rolls. Linoleum is available in the form of rolls. This is not available in the form of rolls. So it is available in the form of tiles, 10 by 10 or 30 by 90. Thickness varies from 5 mm to 15 mm. So this is regarding cork flooring. It is a natural flooring, gives very good appearance, attractive appearance. Now next is properties of cork. It is a porous and lightweight material. It is not attacked by heat and moisture. It is a good insulator for sound and electricity. It is reasonably elastic. It can be cut and sewn without any difficulty. So these are the properties of cork. So you should know these properties. So this is all about different types of eco-friendly materials. Thank you.